Hi and welcome to another video from AI Sciences. In this video, we are going to see that how we can create a Databricks account and then how we can create a notebook on that, and then we will try to simply run a hello world program. The reason why we are developing the understanding for Databricks is just because while working with the Spark, while working with the PySpark, it's really convenient to work on the Databricks, a common platform on which you are independent of installations and maintaining all stuff. You just go there, you write your code and you are good to go. So for that, the first thing that you have to do is to go for Databricks and just mention community and just click the first link. Here it will take you to the sign in page, and if you have the account, you just need to provide the credentials. But in my case, we have to go for the sign up. And here we have to just provide our information here. So let's just make it first name will go like ABCD, anything, EFGH. Actually, I guess let's just put some proper name over here. John and Alice, company is XYZ, company email. This is the actually email that you have to provide to get your work started. So just make sure that you provide your proper email. So for right now, for simplicity's sake, I'm just providing the email like my name and some, you just need to provide your proper email ID here. So for the title, let's just make it SE, and phone number, we can skip it. And just don't check this because otherwise they will keep sending you newsletters and all the other information. So click on get started for free. Here, just make sure that you don't go for this one because it will be free for a couple of days and then they will ask you for get being premium. Just go for the community edition because it will remain free. So here you will get the email. At this point, you will get the email from the Databricks on your email ID. You just need to open that and click on it, and it will take you to a page where you will just provide your passwords and you are good to go. After doing all this stuff, what you have to do, you just have to go for the login page and provide your credentials. So here I already have an account created, so I'm just signing in with that. Let's just close this from here, and here we are actually in our Databricks IDE. Here we just go for create new notebook. There are also other stuff happening over here. We don't need to worry about that. We just go for creating a new notebook, and let's just name it Hello World and PySpark. The name could be anything. Here you are getting the default language as Python. Just make sure it's Python, otherwise you will have to develop the understanding for the relevant programming language. Then for the cluster, I already have a cluster spinned up, but in your case, you won't get any cluster over here. But don't worry, just go for creating that. Now after that, most probably you will get this thing as, if I may just detach it, you will be getting something like that over here. To start your cluster or to attach with it, the cluster is just responsible for this notebook to compute things. So to start that, we just need to go for writing some print statement and go for hello world. You can put anything over here and whatever the statement is inside this cell, and you run it by going for control enter and just go for automatically launch and attach to cluster without prompting and attach and run. It will just spin up the cluster for you and it will attach that cluster with your notebook, and you will get your output. And this is a simple Python IDE. You can just simply go for writing as much code as you want. So let's just go for print I and hit enter. And if we go for shift enter, we will get to the next cell, and again we can write some other code over here. Perfect. So everything is working fine. We created the Databricks account, we created the Databricks notebook, we attached a cluster with it, and then we just wrote a simple hello world program. So this is pretty much it from this video. In the next video, we will try to comprehend some sort of word count example and just get started with the PySpark. So this is pretty much it, and please do subscribe to our channel AI Sciences and do hit the bell icon so that you get the notifications of our new videos. And if you have any questions, any concerns, please let us know in the comment section and we will try to get back to you on that as soon as possible. So I will see you in the next video.